Hi everybody. We are going to do this. So I made some images. You can find out from Google, but I made it in Paint. So you can also make it in Paint. You can just choose a, s- a smooth corner rectangle and then make it and then do circles. Then fill it with black. I just there was a problem with my laptop, so it just got shut down automatically. I just did the code and I added two labels here. This is only what I've done, and I showed you this. It has to be like that. The 11 label is here. So when the button one click, show element. I don't know. We are not going to keep it because if it does not work, then only we are going to keep it. And set number 11 random number 1 by 6. It's going to be a random number 1 by 6, and I've set two labels here, label dice, so we are going to do it in all the label dice. Aha, my camera just gets off in the Story Express. So now let's do this. So let's add this on event show me button, click random number. It was set number random number. So we're going to check. We're going to take two of these. What's this happening? Label dice left, label dice right. Let's take a random number. We're not going to do 10, we're just going to do 6. So if I will click, it will be it's working, right? So when I click, it will keep this, so it's working. Good. So now let's do the rest of the code. Let's take an if else one. If else block, and we have 6 slice sides, so we have to do it 7 times. Okay, we are going to do it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm just going to minimize this. Now it's everything. This has been declared that don't follow these. Don't follow this. Okay, don't follow these. Okay, I'm saying it again and again. Don't follow these. Okay, let's just continue. Jokes apart. If now let's take this from math. This one. If get number label dice left equals to 1, set image URL. What's this label dice left? So it's this one. So it's image 1. Now let's upload it. Choose this. We uploaded it last time, right? So we are just going to go here. Let's upload one. Fun.png is successfully uploaded, and now let's this work. It's not working. Let's check it like this. If it does not work, then just paste the link from the share one to a new tab. Then it should work. Working now. Also. Okay. So let's just minimize this. Now let's check. Let's yeah, it's coming. Yay! So there's no need of show element. Let's just check it here. It's working here or not. Roll. It's working good, but will not go because we have done it. No, we have not given the rest of the code. Now let's give it here. Let's minimize this. Now let's do it. If let's take the sequel. Let's take and once because we use this when the other one is used. Like if the equal one is used. If get number label dice left equals to, you have to use this and colon. I'll show you. It is like this. So and boolean operator returns true only when both expressions are true and false. Otherwise, I'll show you an example. It's not a. This don't give a perfect example with blocks. Equals to 2 set image1 URL. Let's choose it. Choose. Now it work. It's doing good, right? So now let's add else if one more time. If sorry, this one. Get number is left equals to 3. It'll go this what do you say this? Set image. Where's set image URL. There's a problem in this block coding, just gets lost. So before that we do the code, we can add these blocks that we want, and we can add this also in these. And this, let's add get number. Now it will be like a quicker for us. It's my trick. I found it. I found it now, which I had done never before. So let's do this. If 3 set image URL image1 choose upload file 3 choose 3 get number ID label dice left equals to 4 set image ID image1 equals to choose upload file 4 choose good equals to 5 set image1 choose I written till 4. Now I need 5 choose good. And if get number ID equals label dice left equals to 6 set image 1 choose 6. Good. Now we don't need this, so it's done. This one is done for only for this. Now let's check. It should show everything. Ah, I'll need to paste this link and check. Sometimes it gets lag, it does not show the code properly. What the hell is happening? Why is it showing 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the problem? Let me show element. Does that do something else here? I think I have to use this only, this equals to 1. Let's remove it. Okay, so now let's add this equals to. Let's put reset to equals to. Now let's do get number. Let's add get number here. Get number, get number, get number, number, and get number. Let's add label dice left equals to 2. Let's first give the numbering 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's put label dice left, label dice left, label dice left, label dice left. It's all done. Now let's run and check. It's working. Look, this was the problem. So whenever don't use that and boolean operator. I am so sorry that I told to you that you have to use the and boolean operator, but you have to use the equals to operator because it's working now. It's even working in this code one, in this the normal code studio. So please forgive me. I will never do that again. Okay, good. So now let's take one more if else block. Let's add one, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So now let's add these equals to signs. Equals to, equals to, equals to. Good. So it's going to be a big. We are going to write 20. We've written, till now, we've written 30 lines of code. Good. Now if I will do the show text, I will show you to you what it means. It means set number label dice right to random number between 1 to 6, and if the number which is in label dice left is 1, set image on image 1 set image 1.png. Now let's see the blocks. So now let's add get number. Get number. Get number. Good. Now let's add the set image URL. It's a nice trick. If you can, it's up to you if you want to keep it there. Nothing. You can do it. We set image URL. Here it is. Set image URL, set image URL, set image URL. Now let's do label dice right. Page 2, label dice right. Image, image 2. Label dice right, 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 image 2. Good. Let's upload it. Let's write this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who's that? Oh, 6. Now let's upload these pictures. Let's do this. Choose 6.png. Choose 5.png. Choose 4 and choose 3 and choose 2 and choose 1. Let's run and check. 2, 1, 4, 6, 1, 5. 1 second. Now let's do the code for this total one. Set. Let's do the code for total one. And if I just pause all these, if I just pause this whole block, nothing happened. No. It's paused. Nothing will happen. It gets paused. Let's unpause it. It's like going very fast now because with such high code, it's going very fast. 3, 6, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do the other one for the school one. Let's take this only if let me check it in the document. I'm not going to create variables. Sorry. Set number. We have to use set number 1. So what are we going to use? First, just give me a second. I will just come back to you. No, I've got it. So we have to use set number. To use set number. Is set number now? Maybe set number. It should be somewhere here only. No, set text, but I want set number. The label. This is total label, right? Yes. So it should be math and get number. To get numbers should be labeled as left and labeled as right. So I hope this works now. Let's make this in. So we have written how many lines of code? 31 lines of code. Show me yes, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9. Good. It's going good. So this is for today. I'll meet you in the next video. And 1 minute. And if you want any queries, you can just post it in the channel discussion or in the comment box. So meet you in the next video. Goodbye.